kung mapapansin niyo, sa edukasyon pa lang natin, puro competency development, hindi character building. So kung ikaw na leader, dapat naintindihan mo na ang maibibigay mo sa tao, sa mga constituents mo, is not just competency development. It should also be character building. Competency is what you do. Character is what you are. Obviously, what we do is just a product of what we are. Tumagal ako sa workplace, hanggang ngayon nagtatrabaho pa rin ako as a corporate leader. In the workplace, ang pinag-uusapan palagi is what to do. Hindi masyadong pinag-uusapan what we are. But again, I repeat, what we do is just a product of what we are. Pag nagmi-meeting kami sa workplace, madalas ang pinag-uusapan is working on something. Hindi namin pinag-uusapan yung working on ourselves. Our leaders, not just in the Philippines, allow me to say this, even leaders in the world are too busy improving the world outside us, like progress and development, technological advancement, economic development. Nothing wrong with all these things. All these things belong to the world outside us. But little effort, little time are spent and exerted to improve the world inside us. What is this world inside us? Yung ugali natin, yung magandang kaisipan, including our values and moral principles, and ultimately our spirituality.